After years of trying and so many disappointments, we just wanted one thing: to know our baby would be healthy. Coming to Cyprus changed everything for us. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing your baby is healthy before they are even conceived. In Nicosia, Cyprus, the future of your family isn't just a dream. It's guided by science, care, and choice. Why are thousands of couples traveling to this Mediterranean hub for IVF with PGD? Nicosia stands at the crossroads of European medical excellence and progressive reproductive care. Unlike many Western countries, Cyprus allows advanced genetic screening with fewer restrictions, making it a trusted destination for family balancing in complex genetic cases. Clinics here follow strict European Union standards while offering access to the latest genetic technologies available today. For couples who carry genetic conditions such as thalassemia, cystic fibrosis, or sickle cell anemia, IVF with PGD allows doctors to identify and transfer only healthy embryos. PGD also allows families to balance their household by selecting the gender of the embryo before implantation, with accuracy as high as 99.9%. A tandem cycle combines the mother's own eggs with donor eggs in a single treatment plan, maximizing success rates while reducing the need for multiple trips. By transferring only chromosomally normal embryos, PGD significantly reduces miscarriage risk and increases the chance of a healthy pregnancy. World-class fertility care shouldn't come with overwhelming costs. In Nicosia, IVF with PGD is often 50 to 70% more affordable than in the United States or the United Kingdom, without compromising quality or safety. PlacidWay partners with some of the most respected fertility clinics in Cyprus. Sakali IVF, led by Dr. Mustafa Sakali, is known for personalized treatment plans and high success rates. Team Miracle at Cyprus IVF Center supports international patients with seamless coordination and years of experience. Cyprus IVF Hospital offers comprehensive fertility and genetic programs within a multi-specialty medical facility. Healing and hope flourish in the right environment. Nicosia offers a calm, welcoming setting where modern fertility care blends seamlessly with Mediterranean life. Your journey to parenthood begins with a conversation. Let PlacidWay